Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make a classic potato salad with eggs and mayonnaise. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes like russets or Yukon Golds, 6 large hard-boiled eggs, and 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. We'll also incorporate some crisp celery, a bit of red onion, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, and fresh herbs to elevate the flavors. Let's get cooking. Now let's prepare our main components. First, peel and dice your 2 pounds of potatoes into 1-inch cubes. Boil them in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Drain them well and let them cool completely. Simultaneously, hard-boil your 6 eggs for 10 minutes, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Once cooled, peel and chop the eggs into nice, even pieces. This ensures a great texture throughout the salad. Next, we'll create our rich and creamy dressing. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion for a delightful crunch. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a generous amount of fresh chopped dill. Finally, gently fold in your cooled potatoes and chopped eggs, ensuring everything is evenly coated without mashing the potatoes. The final, crucial step is chilling. Once your potato salad is mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling period is essential, as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious dish. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. You can garnish your delicious potato salad with a sprinkle of fresh dill or a dash of paprika for an inviting presentation. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.